We promised you guys another better ramping bashing video. We're back with the Arrma Typhon Mega to deliver. Why'd you hit the brakes?
Hey everyone, I'm Abby.
I'm Nate.
Amelia is taking a nap. Papa is back at home. We are the RC-Saylors. Welcome to our RC family. We're here at the track at Death Valley Raceway here at our airfield with our new RC Bash ramps that we just picked up. Go check them out over on Instagram because they hooked us up with this awesome ramp. If you missed the video, this morning we had a video that showed us putting this together, and we had a little 18th scale little guy that this just demolished in one try. So now we're back with something a little more durable.
A lot more durable.
A lot more durable, a lot faster, a lot tougher. The Arrma Typhon Mega. I'm so excited to have this thing back out and just have some ramping fun with this. You guys know I need ramp practice. Nate needs ramp practice. So let's just get to it and see how much fun this thing is on the ramp.
And if this video hits 2,000 likes, we will take our Arrma Typhon 3S version out on this track with the ramp and hopefully not break anything. Okay, Abby, you are up first. Oh my gosh, look at this. They were made for each other. That is so perfect. I'm ready. Yeah, that was so much better than that wimpy little, look at that. Oh, guys, they blew the grass on the track. What are we gonna do? That wasn't full throttle. We're just baby stepping up here. Nice, oh. Nice, oh, right down on the front end. But it's a tough buggy, nothing to worry about, very durable.
Remind me, juice makes it go what way? And
brakes is forward, juice is back. You needed to juice it. One more and it's my turn. There you go, that was better. That was so smooth. Good job. Nice. That's awesome. That is a very, very awesome ramp. So cool. You ramped above my camera shot. You're getting good. This Typhon is perfect for this ramp. Wow. Okay, here's the challenge. You have to go around the track after you hit the ramp like you're racing. You can't slow down, you can't stop, and you have to hit that ramp again. Full throttle, like you're racing. Oh! Epic fail. Two epic fails. Nice. Oh, that was awesome. Okay, I think it's my turn. Yep, I do believe it is my turn. After you do this one more time, I guess. Oh yeah, definitely my turn. Guys, if you love this Arrma Typhon like we do, we'll have it linked in the description box below. This thing just came out and it's amazing. Also, there are brushless versions too.
I know! That's why I was trying to fix the trim. I think you just broke something. Terrible! I think you broke it. You did.
No, I didn't. That was from your first landing where you smacked into it really hard. Nice! Oh! You did that, right? You didn't look at the camera. I got it.
That just needs to pop back in the front.
Okay. That was your doing though, my dear.
I think you did it. You're scary with this thing. You need to fix the ramp because it's aimed toward me. Okay, I'm not very good at filming this yet. Because I'm scared for my life. Stop! You're getting me dirty. This is scary every time.
That was amazing. Oh, right on the nose. There it is. Oh. Oh, why'd you hit the brakes?
I will confess, I think I was the one to do this. I popped that out a little bit.
Because every time Abby got in the air, she hit the brakes and it'd go down like that.
I need to remember how to ramp. Because I haven't ramped in a long time that high.
That might have been the best I've ever done.
That was ramping. A lot of fun. That was a lot of fun.
So if we get more power or bigger tires like a monster truck, we're going to be able to have more control in the air with this and more air time on that amazing ramp. I wonder if the ramp took any damage at all, because you could hear it going ba-ding every time. Ba-ting! Ba-ting! It was like, ba-ting!
It looks good.
It looks amazing.
I mean, we were hitting the sides and doing barrel rolls off that. So fun.
Guys, this ramp and an RC like this go perfectly together. The great thing about Arrma is you can find spare parts. They have upgrades. You can go brushless and really get some airtime with this. Because this ramp is so epic, we wanted to start small and work our way out. Hence the cheap $100 China truck that we did this morning that did not hold up at all. That thing broke on its first real ramp. Oh, that was so sad. This, on the other hand, made it through a whole battery. Now, we were using an amazing battery. We'll have them linked in the description box below. Guys, what do you think of this ramp? What do you think of the Arrma Typhon? This was a fun video. We owed you a good one after destroying that RC earlier today. Sorry about that. This was so much fun. Now remember, if this video gets 2,000 likes, we'll bring our 3S Typhon here to the track to do some crazy ramping. I'm afraid to. I don't know if I really want to, because I feel like something might break.
You still haven't replaced the bumper you broke on it.
Fair enough. We need to ramp it so that I can get some upgrades. I hear what you're saying, Abby. Thanks a lot for watching. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye!